Hello everyone, and welcome back to A to Z Ozone. In this video, we will be going over 5 more common questions about ozone generators. Do not forget to check out our website to have a look at our ozone generators and blog posts. Number 5. Do ozone generators require maintenance? Ozone generators may require occasional maintenance, such as cleaning the ozone-producing elements or replacing filters. Number 4. Can ozone generators remove cooking odors? Ozone generators can help neutralize cooking odors by breaking down odor molecules. Number 3. Do ozone generators produce ozone continuously during operation? Ozone generators typically produce ozone continuously while in operation. Number 2. Can ozone generators be used to sanitize personal items? Ozone generators can be used to sanitize certain personal items, such as clothing, shoes, and small household items. Number 1. Can ozone generators be used for food preservation? Ozone is sometimes used in the food industry for its antimicrobial properties. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Do not forget to subscribe and check out our website. Thank you and have a good day.